Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crown Cars TV. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme and breathtaking performance machines expected to capture the attention of automotive enthusiasts worldwide, the futuristic 2027 BRABUS ROCKET-R G900. Known for transforming already incredible Mercedes-Benz vehicles into extraordinary masterpieces, BRABUS has once again pushed the limits of design, luxury, and performance. The ROCKET-R G900 is expected to combine aggressive styling, cutting-edge engineering, and astonishing power to create a grand touring supercar unlike anything else on the road. From the very first glance, the 2027 BRABUS ROCKET-R G900 demands attention. Every inch of its exterior has been designed to maximize aerodynamic efficiency while creating an unmistakably aggressive appearance. The low-slung stance, wide body, and extensive use of exposed carbon fiber immediately communicate that this is no ordinary performance car. At the front, the ROCKET-R G900 features an aggressive fascia highlighted by an enlarged carbon fiber front splitter that helps generate additional downforce at high speeds. The signature BRABUS grille gives the car a bold identity, while redesigned air intakes channel massive amounts of air toward the cooling systems. Slim LED headlights with advanced lighting technology provide a sharp and futuristic appearance that complements the vehicle's intimidating front end. The sculpted hood features functional air vents that not only enhance the aggressive styling but also improve engine cooling. Every line and contour has been carefully engineered to optimize airflow while giving the car an unmistakable road presence. Moving to the side profile, the wide body design immediately captures attention. Aggressive fender extensions create room for massive lightweight forged wheels wrapped in ultra-high performance tires. Deep side skirts improve aerodynamic stability while visually lowering the vehicle even further. Carbon fiber mirror caps, aerodynamic fins, and precisely sculpted body panels contribute to both performance and appearance. One of the most impressive aspects of the ROCKET-R G900 is its aerodynamic package. Active aerodynamic components are expected to automatically adjust depending on speed and driving conditions, helping the car remain planted even during extreme high-speed driving. Every design element has a clear purpose, proving that beauty and functionality can work together perfectly. At the rear, the BRABUS ROCKET-R G900 becomes even more dramatic. A massive active rear wing dominates the back of the vehicle, generating significant downforce when needed while maintaining a sleek appearance during normal driving. The rear diffuser, crafted almost entirely from carbon fiber, efficiently manages airflow underneath the car, improving both stability and efficiency. Quad BRABUS Sport exhaust outlets complete the aggressive rear design while hinting at the incredible performance hidden beneath the hood. Slim LED taillights stretch elegantly across the rear, creating a futuristic lighting signature that is instantly recognizable both day and night. Overall, the exterior perfectly balances elegance with extreme motorsport-inspired aggression. It is a vehicle that looks capable of breaking speed records while still maintaining the refinement expected from a BRABUS creation. Now let's talk about the heart of the ROCKET-R G900, its incredible performance. BRABUS has built its reputation by extracting extraordinary power from Mercedes-AMG engines, and the 2027 ROCKET-R G900 is expected to continue that tradition in spectacular fashion. Under the hood, the vehicle is expected to feature a heavily modified twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing approximately 900 horsepower and over 1,200 Newton-meters of torque. This incredible level of performance places the ROCKET-R G900 among the world's fastest road-going grand touring cars. Acceleration is expected to be absolutely breathtaking. The sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour could take well under 3 seconds, while the top speed is expected to exceed 200 miles per hour. Despite these astonishing numbers, power delivery remains smooth and remarkably controllable thanks to advanced electronic management systems. The advanced automatic transmission is expected to deliver lightning-fast gear changes, allowing drivers to experience uninterrupted acceleration. Every shift feels immediate, maximizing both performance and driving excitement. Power is intelligently distributed through an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum traction under virtually every driving condition. Whether launching from a standstill or accelerating out of high-speed corners, the ROCKET-R G900 delivers exceptional confidence and stability. Handling has also received extensive attention from BRABUS engineers. The adaptive suspension continuously adjusts to changing road conditions, balancing comfort during everyday driving with race-inspired precision whenever performance is demanded. Lower ride height, optimized weight distribution, and enhanced chassis rigidity allow the vehicle to remain composed even during aggressive cornering. The steering system is expected to provide exceptional precision, delivering accurate feedback that connects the driver directly with the road. Every steering input feels immediate, making the Rocket-R G900 remarkably engaging despite its extraordinary power. Braking performance is equally impressive. Massive carbon ceramic brake systems provide extraordinary stopping power while resisting fade during repeated high-speed braking. Combined with sophisticated electronic stability systems, the vehicle inspires confidence under all driving conditions. One of the most emotional aspects of any Brabus vehicle is its exhaust note, and the Rocket-R G900 promises not to disappoint. The specially engineered sport exhaust system produces a deep, thunderous soundtrack that perfectly matches the car's aggressive character. Drivers can even adjust the exhaust sound depending on the selected driving mode, allowing for refined cruising or maximum excitement at the push of a button. Multiple driving modes allow drivers to personalize throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering weight, transmission behavior, and exhaust characteristics. Whether driving comfortably through city streets or pushing the limits on open highways, the Rocket-R G900 adapts effortlessly. Inside the cabin, Brabus transforms the already luxurious Mercedes-AMG interior into an even more exclusive environment. Premium hand-stitched leather covers nearly every surface, complemented by Alcantara inserts, exposed carbon fiber, polished aluminum accents, and custom Brabus detailing. The performance seats provide exceptional support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable enough for long-distance touring. Every control is positioned within easy reach of the driver, reinforcing the vehicle's performance-focused philosophy. A fully digital instrument cluster provides customizable performance information alongside navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The latest infotainment technology offers seamless smartphone integration, voice commands, wireless connectivity, and advanced driver assistance systems. Ambient lighting, premium audio, dual-zone climate control, and countless luxury features ensure that every journey remains comfortable regardless of destination. Even at extreme performance levels, occupants continue to enjoy first-class comfort and refinement. The cabin perfectly demonstrates Brabus craftsmanship. Every stitch, material, and detail reflects exceptional quality and attention to detail, making the Rocket-R G900 feel truly exclusive. Overall, the futuristic 2027 Brabus Rocket-R G900 represents the absolute pinnacle of luxury performance engineering. It combines breathtaking styling, extraordinary power, world-class craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology into one unforgettable machine. It is equally capable of dominating highways, attracting attention at exclusive events, and delivering exhilarating driving experiences every time the engine starts. For enthusiasts seeking one of the most powerful and luxurious grand touring cars ever created, the Brabus Rocket-R G900 appears ready to exceed every expectation. It showcases exactly what happens when German engineering, advanced technology, and uncompromising performance come together in one remarkable automobile. Thank you for watching Crown Cars TV. We'd love to hear your opinion. If you had the opportunity to own the 2027 Brabus Rocket-R G900 or any dream performance car in the world, which one would you choose, and what makes it your ultimate dream machine? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.